Welcome back, aspiring mathletes. We're going to continue looking at the 2000 grade 7 Gauss paper. We're on to question number 5. When a number is divided by 7, it gives a quotient of 4 with a remainder of 6. What is the number? Okay. So we're actually going to have to throw maybe a little algebra into it, or we could alternatively use a new method, which is guess and check. We're given 5 potential answers here. What we could do, if we wanted to, is take each potential answer, divide it by 7, and see if we get a quotient of 4 and a remainder of 6. That's certainly one way we could do it. Or we could use a little algebra. I'm going to skew the algebra solution. I'm not going to do it that way because I'd like to do it and illustrate the idea that with 5 potential answers, we could just test each one of them. We're going to use algebra later on and on future contests, so don't worry. We'll get to practicing our algebra. But we have 5 potential answers. Let's get ourselves a new piece of paper. Remember, you don't have to do the questions the way I do them. This is just me trying to show different techniques and how to arrive at solutions. There's usually more than one way to get a question. So quotient of 4 and remainder of 6 upon division by 7. Okay. So the first number, I believe, was 17. So I'm just going to set up a long division. 17. Well, 7 doesn't go into 1 at all. So we're going to have to consider the whole number 17. Well, 7 goes into this 2 times, 14, remainder of 3. So 2 with a remainder of 3, that's not what we're looking for. No. The next number, I believe, was 168. Yeah, there it is, 168. So let's try 168. Seven go into 1? Absolutely not. How about 7 goes into 16? It goes in twice. We get 14, we get 2 here. We bring down the 8. How many times does 7 go into 28? 4 times. And we get no remainder. So with 24 with a remainder of 0, well, that's not 4 with a remainder of 6. No way. Our next number was 34. So we set up the long division. How many times does 7 go into 34? Well, it doesn't go into 3. But certainly 28 is less than that, and the next multiple is 35, which is more than that. So we go 4 times, and we get 28. And 34 minus 28, well, that's 6. So we have 4 with a remainder of 6. Well, that's exactly what we're looking for. 4 with a remainder of 6. Okay. And if we wanted to make absolute sure, if we were worried, if we want to double check, maybe we have time at the end, we could actually check the other 2 numbers, 31, and that'll give a quotient of 4 and a remainder of 3, and 46, which will give a quotient of 6 and a remainder of 4. So that's E is a tricky one because it's switching. It's saying quotient of 6, remainder of 4, which is the opposite of what we want. But however you did it, and there are other ways to do it, you could just do it with your calculator, or you could just guess and check, or you could try things with algebra. or you can do it the long division way that we did it. Either way, that's question number 5, and the answer is C right there. Okay. So join me for question number 6. We're now halfway through part A. So join me for question 6 next time.